What is up, people? Hitesh here, back again with another live, and this is a random live. I hope somebody might be watching, at least somebody. So I'm gonna wait here for a few seconds, and I'll see if people actually shows up. Okay, there are likes coming up. I love it actually. Uh, no advanced thing. I have been a little bit busy, not little bit, a whole lot busier. You can just stay there. A whole lot busier. Couldn't do Sunday lives. There was a lot of things going on that I was learning, absorbing quite a lot, especially about cameras and stuff. I'm enjoying it a lot. But yes, this is a random. What's the day today? I have absolutely no idea. What's the day today? What we call it? Sunday live? Nope, absolutely not. What we're gonna call this? Tuesday live, random Tuesday live. Okay. So, just wanted to catch up with you guys. It's being long that we have talked, just like you and me, just like there. This camera looks good, by the way. It's again my OnePlus. I love these devices. Uh, when you will come to India, I am in India till December. Then the trips again, of course, starts. Tuesday live, yes, of course. Hey Divya, hey Suraj, Gaurav, Startup Info, nice name there. Hi Tish, how's the Canon 80D? Okay, I'm still in love of with my other camera there. In fact, you know what? I'm trying to push myself with this Nikon guy quite a lot in the photos because if I can do really good and amazing job with this kind of a mediocre kind of camera, I would be rocking and killing it with 70D and 80D. So that's why I'm doing it. Okay, let's pick up more questions. Okay. Wow, coming for live. Yes, it was a random decision and just I was by the way making a few notes for the tomorrow's class. I do take classes. It's these are all for machine learning and all. I usually take my notes with a small device. You might be aware of this guy. Saw a lot of hatred for this guy, but it's actually amazing with the iPad. I like it. Let me know in the comment section if anybody is using the devices. By the way, I use insane amount of devices here. Okay. So love you, all of you guys. Hitesh, take my names. Hey Pratul Das, hey Sumit, Bangalore. You know what? My second time Bangalore trip got cancelled. Really not happy about it. But yeah, I'm happy that my other trips are going on actually. I'm busy with a couple of visas. I need to take a lot of visas. I do travel a lot. So yep, it's winters. It's winters. It's already winters in India. The place where I stay in India is actually extremist place. Not extremist like other extremists. It's extreme in temperature. It sees like 50 degrees Celsius in summer, heavy rain, and heavy winters. It's Jaipur. Yes, I am in Jaipur right now. I will be staying in Jaipur till not tomorrow. I will not be in Jaipur tomorrow. But I'll be back by evening, so quick flight to catch up tomorrow. Uh, okay, so Jaipur meetup. Yes, I'm planning, but tomorrow is again my flight, tomorrow morning, and I'll be back here. So, hello from Kolkata. Hey, nice. Thank you so much from Kolkata. I have visited Kolkata once. Haven't seen much there. I would love to come there again. Yes, you are also from Rajasthan. That's good. Canon or Nikon? Any given day, I'll choose Canon. Just like any given day, I'll choose a MacBook. Yeah, I get a lot of hate for that, but hey, it's my choice. You asked for it. Okay. A lot of questions are coming up. First of all, I always want to say that thank you so much, all of you. You people are great. And I feel myself really lucky that I'm able to change life of at least 100,000 people here who are now focusing more, who are learning more. Some of you have started to go swimming just by when I just say that hey, I do swim, and a lot of people started swimming. That's when I realized that hey, my words actually do matter a lot. And I'm really happy that I'm able to change life a lot of people. I have never said that hey, buy my courses or only buy my courses. I've always told you, every one of you, just keep learning. No matter whether you learn from my courses, maybe you don't like it. It's again personal preferences, but don't forget, you have to keep learning. Probably you don't like even me. That's okay. That's totally okay. But make sure you keep on learning. You keep on going. So really, I'm happy to be such a place here. So uh, keep achieving your goals. Yes, I am about to achieve one of the very big goal in my life, and it is going to happen in December. Hopefully, I cannot reveal the plans right now, but uh, it's one of the big goals that I always wanted to do. So it's gonna happen in December. You're gonna see sudden changes in the things here. It's not gonna be very educational friendly kind of stuff in the December. Just to give you a heads up, I don't work much in December. It's like a party time for me. So yeah. Come to Pakistan. Yes, I have been invited to Pakistan a couple of number of times. I may think upon it maybe later on. Right now it's busy stuff, so definitely. Okay, looking smart. Thank you, brother. Hope you are doing well with your ATD. Where do you live in Jaipur? Come to Chandigarh. Hey, I have been to Chandigarh twice, not thrice, or maybe four times. I have been to Chandigarh four times. I loved the absolute place. I loved the barbecue nation at Chandigarh. People eat quite a lot at Chandigarh. I loved it. I loved that place. I have seen a garden there. Probably there are a lot of photos on my Facebook account of Chandigarh. I love that place. Hello from Jodhpur. By the way, I know a lot about Jodhpur. I am in the Harley Davidson family, so our one of the family part is in the Jodhpur for Harley Davidson. So yes. Okay. This is Prakash, love from Chennai. Your Switzerland pic looks awesome. Your pic's like twin brother epic. Yeah, that was a very old pic when I was in Switzerland. I actually moved from Paris to Switzerland at that time. I went to one of the beautiful town, Engelberg. I still miss it. It was amazing. I stayed there for a couple of days. I enjoyed it thoroughly. So yeah, that was amazing. Okay. So please come to Bangladesh probably very soon. If there are good invites from there, I'll surely come up there. I think feeling cool in Jaipur. Yes, it's absolutely cold here. You have no idea how windy and how cold it is. Uh, just a side tip for the people who are travel freaks like me. If you're looking forward to plan to visit Jaipur, I think this is the perfect time until Jan because it's cold. Be prepared for that. I'll just give you a heads up there. But again, it is the most perfect time to visit Jaipur. It's very touristy. Extreme amount of tourists come up. A lot of my friends also come up. They stay at my home, and a lot of other people as well. So it's a perfect time. Hello from Germany, coding in flow. Hello from India as well. As of now, I'm in India. So hello from India. Okay, come to Patna. Yes, definitely. I would love to visit it. I have a lot of college friends from Patna. I would love to visit them again. Can I know something about your course? Of course, you can always ask these questions, no problem. Where do you live in Jaipur? I don't like social visits at my personal home, so probably Jaipur is okay. Goa, yes. Just to tell you how big I'm a fan of Goa, I have traveled quite a lot in the world, but still, I would say there is a holiday destination anywhere in the world, it's Goa. Especially the northern beaches, if you go up there, like beaches like Arambol Beach and I forgot the name, Morjim Beach. These are the perfect location I ever, whenever I feel like it's going too much, I just take a flight and go to Goa. Okay. Will you come to Kashmir, sir? I have visited Kashmir as well. But yeah, I would love to. What about Mumbai? Last time when I was in Mumbai in IIT Bombay, there was a serious chaos. I almost missed a lot of my flights. I hope Mumbai gets better there now. Okay, please tell me I should go for gate or job. I am CSE third year. If you're looking for a gate, go fully for it. Don't look for any other else thing. If you want to go for job, don't look for gate. Just decide one. Flip a coin and decide it. That's all. Okay. Okay, come to Alwar for Matsaya Utsav. Okay, is it photo friendly? Because I'm focusing a lot on photos. So if it is, I'll surely track about it because Alwar is like what? A couple of hours drive from Jaipur. I probably can come. Can you come to Manipal sometime? Manipal University or Manipal there? A long way, just there. uh, love your teaching style. Thank you so much. I'm trying to improve it. I'm trying to get you more onto the iPad because I teach awesome on my iPad because there are some concepts and things that need to be taught, like for example, Tower of Hanoi or some of the cryptographic concepts. These can be explained a lot better when you have a computer at the same time so that you can write the code as well as this guy so that I can explain the concept at the same time. Apart from this, I'm not a big fan of this. But again, it's good. It's awesome. Okay. Manipal University, Karnataka. Surely I can come, but not in December and January. These are already booked. Hello from Hawa Mahal, Jaipur. Awesome. You know what? I have been in Jaipur for so long, and still haven't visited Hawa Mahal from inside. That's bad, actually. I should do that. Okay. More course on Python. Yeah, Python is going to be the next course that is going to release up, but right now, so much of the things are going on. It's good. Plus, on top of that, I am learning something on my personal end as well. It's not related to programming it, but it feels me really good. So that is why I'm also learning it. I will reveal that very soon, along with some free surprises for everybody. Whatever I'm learning, I will dedicate it like entirely free for the community. So I'm focusing on that a little bit. Okay. How does preparation for jobs differ from preparation for higher studies for a computer science student? I would say a lot, because for the higher studies you have to go for either IELTS or TOEFL or something like that, or maybe GATE. And for the job interviews, they are more over code oriented. That's it. But for the higher studies, it involves like previous studies things, physics, and your EC and a lot of stuff. So yes, it's different thing. Okay. Is testing have jobs in future? Of course, testing can never go out of the way, whether it's a normal testing using Selenium or Appium or whether it's a pen testing, it's always going to be secure. As long as people are creating stuff, it need to be tested out. Please come to Japan. I really wish this is in one of my to-do list. Please be in contact with me. I am looking forward so that somebody can host me there, or I know somebody there before coming to Japan. This is like Mount Fuji is like I really want to see that. So, but there is always kind of a very special time when you want to visit Japan. I'm waiting for that blooming season. So like it looks beautiful there. So definitely Japan is in one of my list. Not this year, but yes, definitely. Okay, so let's pick up more questions. Okay, sir, what is the technical Dave G? Your logo looks similar. Yeah, logo looks familiar to me. What is the best play in Kolkata to learn program? I have no idea about that. Why don't you learn online or buy some book? Save some time. Okay. Can you illustrate on parse? Actually, is parse is like an alternative for Firebase. In fact, when I once started working on the Firebase, I actually just after doing one project, I moved into the parse, and honestly, I loved parse quite a lot. In fact, at the initial phase, I loved it a little bit more than this Firebase concept. But the moment Firebase got actually this real-time database, it just overshadowed the parse. It's exactly same. You can host your parse server onto Amazon. It's pretty easy to do so. It's like maintaining everything on your own, or it's your own database. You have to be responsible for that, for its downtime, for its uptime. You want to customize any rule, you want to add any functionality, it's totally going to be on your own. Just onto a side note, parse doesn't mean that you have to write anything and everything onto your. You just need to download it, push it onto your Amazon, AWS, or wherever your server is, and that's it. That's it. It can be run like that. So it's kind of alternative for that. And yes, all the features like database, authentication, Google sign up, Facebook sign up, GitHub sign up, all of these things can be done in there as well, as easily as in Firebase. Okay. Me too, never visited Hawa Mahal, still live close to it. Yeah, that's kind of a Jaipurish thing. We live here, still haven't. I have seen rest of the other places, but haven't never seen that. Uh, I don't I don't able to see your demo course video. You can check out. I know there is one course in which there is no free videos available. I'll fix that in a minute. I'll do that. Okay, so let's pick up. Will there be Ruby on Rails course? Just to give you an idea, yes, I do work on Ruby on Rails quite a lot. Those people who are technically geeky and are on Learn Code Online must be already aware with that. Not right now. Right now, the focus is on something else. So Ruby on Rails is not on the next to-do list, but yes, that will be. What's the opportunity for front-end developer in foreign countries like startup, hub, Israel? For Israelish country, I don't know anything about that much. But yes, front-end developers always have good opportunities every single where. So I think Israel should be the case. I have never been to Israel and I have no good friends there as well. So probably I don't have much idea about it. Okay. Uh, a lot of people came up and I really like and appreciate that. Hey, you can give it a thumbs up so that I can see you're still here. Make video for interview. Yeah, I'm trying to make more videos for you guys so that you can see them. Uh, Okay, please help and add C++. Yes, because I'm not adding right now the C++ course because I want to add C++ course along with NS3, which is really heavily demanded topic. My previous series on NS3 was bought by someone, so I cannot release the entire series now. All the copyrights that I had were being given to him right now. I sold it actually, honestly. So I'll make another one very soon and not right now. But yes, C++ will be very advanced and will include NS3 and stuff like that. Is all of your courses teaching by you? No, there is one course that is not being taught by me, and there is a separate badge there on Learn Code Online which says instructor. So if there is my photo with the instructor there, that's my courses. But the other courses are also awesome. So go ahead, check out those free videos. They are also very awesome courses. Okay. Uh, Sir, will I buy MacBook Pro 13-inch with touch bar or 15-inch for software? And you don't need touch bar actually. It's just kind of mediocre thing. But if you can afford, definitely go for it if you can have that. But touch bar is not so important. I would recommend 15-inch, or if you are buying 13-inch, go ahead buy a 13-inch and buy a separate monitor as well. Personally, this is my personal thing. I like big things. Okay, so big monitor should be there. Code font should be that big so that I can easily see that. Probably one of the reason I like the big is I don't have glasses. Notice that? No glasses. And probably this is the reason why I don't have glasses yet. I like things to be big. My fonts are always scaled up to the large code and everything. So I don't like to work onto this much of the screen. I like things to be big. World has a lot of space, so go ahead, go big. Okay. Shout out my name, Varun Gaur. Varun Gaur, Varun Gaur. So there we go. I tried to shout out your name. Okay. Uh, Please visit JCRC University, Jaipur. I can visit if they invite me, like, first of all, invitation, and probably in this month only because December is packed. There is no more dates free in December and January. So, you know. Okay, so is it okay to ethical hacking along with BTech? Yes, of course. If you're not gonna do in the BTech, when you're gonna do it? Okay. Is learning Swift a good option if your goal is to go into iOS world of apps and desktop apps of Apple again? Then it's a good option. And in fact, this is the only option you have. Okay. Angular or React Native? I'll go for React Native. I'm a big fan of React Native. Machine learning versus Android development. Completely separate paths. No comparison at all. Both are amazing. Please help us to start in backend. You can start with my React.js course. It's amazing. You can also start with PHP. In case you notice, in the previous video I mentioned that one of the students learned PHP from Learn Code Online and is now earning like $400 per month. That's amazing for a start. So I am from Sri Lanka. I love your videos. Please come to Sri Lanka. Yes, I really want to come there, but it's very nearby. I will come at maybe drop out maybe in a day. Right now, I have a plan to go very, very far from India in the upcoming months. Can we integrate payment gateway interface in React Native app? Of course, of course. There is no big deal. Almost all of the payment gateway do support them. Stripe and PayPal like default. No big deal. Just go like that. PayPal and Stripe will be super easy to integrate. If you're looking for a country-based specific payment gateway, then I cannot say because these are different from India, for Pakistan, for US, for UK. For US, UK, PayPal and Stripe just works fine. But for India, it's a tricky situation. Okay. Uh, is learning Swift a good option? Yes. Visit Assam. Yes, I want to visit it. I want to visit a lot. Should we fear Facebook shutting down React.js? If it does, then what are the consequences? No, you should not be facing for that. Yes, Tarun, At first, I was a little bit perky about it that if Facebook shuts down the React, what is going to happen? It's not going to be shut down, just like Parse is not being shut down. They just made it open source and say that we are not going to work on it. But that's not going to be case for React and React Native as well. The reason being is their own app, Facebook, Instagram, and a lot of part of their other apps like groups is now on React Native. So continuous development needs to be there. There is no chance that Facebook is shutting down in upcoming like 5 or 10 years at least, but we cannot say. Hope I'm right. I'm right here. But again, there should be no worries at all. It is going to be staying here. Okay, so React and React Native, no worries at all. Kanchipuram, yeah, that's a nice place. Uh, Sir Volley or retrofit? Volley, that's easy. But yes, retrofit is actually much more fast. I would prefer it on production, but for teaching, Volley is much more awesome. It's easy. Okay. iOS app designing only programmatically using storyboard. Is it good practice or not? Please tell how company is gonna do it. This is a really common question, and a lot of people want to know that designing with storyboard or without storyboard. Is ditching the storyboard good practice or not? Okay, this is a tricky question because it's not one thing suits for everybody. Okay, I have seen a lot of people who are great developers still are working on storyboard. It's a little bit tricky thing to work on storyboard totally, but still I have seen a lot of people does that. Now ditching the storyboard makes only sense when you have like more than 8 storyboards. Then, and yes, most of the apps can be designed like in just 4 or 5 storyboard if you design it like properly. But yes, it's a little bit slow. Yes, I will agree on that, that working on the storyboard is a little bit slower and a little bit tricky as well. While working everything on the code is a little bit easier. It's kind of a tricky question. I cannot give you that this is good, this is bad. It's not like that. It's a personal preference, first of all, and depends on the project scale. Of course, if it's a big scale project, then of course there's no choice. You will be going without storyboard. I absolutely hate that, but sometimes you don't have option. And apps like obviously like Learn Code Online and all these apps, they can be designed in a few storyboards. So I would be working on a storyboard for that. But yes, a lot of people prefer to ditch the storyboard. Okay, so let's pick up more questions. It's been long, we haven't done that. From IIT Madras, like your video. Thank you so much, Mr. Paul. I appreciate that you are enjoying them. IBM Watson, not much topic to be discussed. Your expert favorite language? There's no such favorite-ish language. The moment I get paid for a language, I love it. I love it. So I don't have any love for any programming language. I have love for products. The products that I'm standing by, I'm learning for that, I'm making them. I love that. And of course, no one language is gonna make you like at the top of the bar. Just imagine if I would have just loved the iOS only and would have iOS app only for Learn Code Online, you probably wouldn't have loved it. So of course, it's a market demand that you should be proficient in multiple language. It's not like in olden days, it used to be like just learn one language and that's it. No, chances are high that even if you are doing a startup or maybe you are doing a product or anything, you need a couple of language at least, couple of language. So no less than that. Okay. Let's pick up a couple of Hitesh. You missing something? FB. No, I don't miss FB much. I enjoy YouTube than the Facebook. It's more creative. I love it. Okay, so it's a random live. Yeah, I know. A lot of people might be watching this at later on and say, "Hey, Hitesh was live. Didn't inform us on Facebook or anywhere else." But yeah, I just wanted to see you guys. That's why I came here. Just hey Amit, welcome to the live chat. Okay, so Firebase versus Gluon. I haven't tried much onto the Gluon. There is, by the way, there is one more like Rapid IO. But yes, Gluon is now getting a little bit high, but Firebase is far more awesome. By the way, just want to say officially, unofficially, I have worked with Firebase team, so probably a little bit biased like that. But yes, it is worth everything. It's worth like that. Please visit UTU University. That's a nice name. UTU. Where is that? Pardon me. Okay. Lenovo laptops buy or not? What's your experience? I have good experience with Lenovo laptops. No problem at all. Did you ever work in Google? No, I haven't worked officially at Google campus, but I have worked in team as an external tester or some product beta tester with Google. No, I haven't been officially like having a desk at their campus. I wouldn't like to even. I would not be going there. Okay. A lot of people are inviting me their university. Yes, definitely. But yeah, some plans are. I am free for this month only, and it's almost gone. It's 21 already. But yeah, I can only visit universities in this month only. Uh, okay, sir, you are inspiration. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the love. To what extent is web scraping legal, sir? Okay, that is an interesting question. Okay, let me tell you first. If you're just picking up like one element max, that may be allowed or maybe not allowed. Depends on what kind of website you are having and what kind of things are allowed. If it's a third party website, you should not be doing it. Scraping is not at all allowed, even minimum. If that website is allowing you, either they will give you like permission in email or will be sending you APIs to use. Scraping is not allowed. It's unnecessary load on the server. Nobody likes it. API is a different case. So instead of scrapping, you should be looking up for APIs. Just onto a side reminder, if your website is having, if your app, iOS app is having web scraping, it may get thrown out of there. Android may also block your account if you're doing a web scraping. Okay, so please don't do that. Legal issues, they are really bad. Okay, let's pick up more questions. There are a lot of coming up. My name Manish Manish. I am your big fan. Your name is Manish Manish. That's like two times, just one name. It's like Hitesh Hitesh. But okay, it's your name. Not making fun of it. Okay. Uh, okay. So what happened to Punjab visit? Yeah, I actually cancelled it because it was too much hectic for me. The reason why I cancelled the Punjab visit because it was like Jaipur to Delhi, then Delhi to Amritsar flight, then 2 hours of travel to that university, and same way back. It was like I was getting wasted like 2 or 3 days in travel just for like 2 hour of talk, and yes, I'm not getting paid for that talk. Obviously, I don't ask even for the money for these kinds of talk. But yes, spending this much of amount of time, I cannot afford that. I have a lot of other work to do. So really sorry. Probably I would love to visit it later on, somewhere. I would like to spend there, maybe later on. Okay. Okay. Please make video on testing. Yes, testing is planned out. It got delayed due to some unavoidable reasons. It will come up very soon. Okay. Uh, Machine learning in Android. Is it possible in Android Studio? There was a plan of Google of launching a module for machine learning. I don't know why they are delaying it so much. I'll ask a couple of my links why they are delaying it. There is like a machine learning module being coming up for the Android. I'll ask my friends that why this is being delayed. Although I'm no authority to ask it, but I'll just ask in like friends. Which book you read? That's an interesting question. I can probably make a video on this. Maybe tomorrow. Okay, that's an interesting question. Uh, Kolkata, a lot of invitation are coming up from Kolkata. Suddenly, like my channel is going popular in Kolkata, so just like that. Okay, so I need to get back to study. I have to study for my tomorrow's lesson. By the way, I teach students personally as well for some of the universities. So yes, I have to prepare for them. Tomorrow is again class for them. Let's just say bye-bye to everybody right now, and I will try to be more consistent with the videos. But again, since I'm not that much consistent, you can hit that bell icon if you wish. Every YouTuber just say press the subscribe, press the black icon so that you can get my update very first. Not like that. If you just want to hit that, go ahead, hit that. If you don't want to hit that, that's okay, fine too. You're already connected with me. So that's it for this video. Come on, let's just say bye-bye, good night. Get back to work, and all of these things. You can also go back to learning. I know you are not going to be sleeping right now. It's still early. The night is young. It's for coders. Get back to code, and I'll also do the same. Bye-bye. Keep enjoying and keep learning, guys. Catch you later.